Dumelang bahaetso. Greetings to each and every one of you. Re mo sebakeng sa Advente, go ya ka ngwaga wa kereke ke tshimologo ya ngwaga o mošwa. Sebaka sa Advente ke sebaka sa go ipakanyetsa go tla ga Morena. Go setse beke e le nngwe fela, beke e tlang re tla bo re itumela mmogo re keteka botsalo jwa Morena. We are intending to send you a few musical greetings to help you prepare for this wonderful Christmas festival, to help you prepare inwardly. Re simolola ka pina ya bo 4 mo Harepeng. Lo bulegeng dikgoro fatsheng gore Kgosi ya tlotlo e tsene. This will be a video clip taken from a church service about a year ago, performed by those members of the church choir that were there on that Sunday, together with the brass band and Vincent Mohashwa on the organ. The music in our Akasia Lutheran Church is indeed uplifting. So may your hearts be uplifted. May you open your hearts wide as you prepare for Christmas. Welcome him, the King of Glory, who came to the earth to be a human being like one of us, like you and me, and all of this out of love. So as you listen to this musical greetings, pause a while, take a deep breath, listen to the words, and as you listen, open your heart wide to his surprises this Christmas. Enjoy.